Hi there, I'm Professor Dag Madsen. Welcome to this video on triple bottom line, TBL principles, a crucial concept for businesses in the 21st century striving towards sustainability and ethical practices. TBL encourages organizations to go beyond the traditional financial metrics of profit and loss, and to also consider their impact on people and the planet. Through this approach, companies can achieve long-term success while contributing positively to society and the environment. In this video, we'll explore how TBL principles can be applied across various industries, bringing to light innovative practices and their outcomes. From manufacturing to technology and extending to agriculture, we'll look at real-world examples that demonstrate how businesses are integrating economic, social, and environmental considerations into their operations. The triple bottom line, TBL framework developed by John Elkington in the mid-1990s broadens the scope of an organization's performance evaluation to include not just financial outcomes, but also social and environmental impacts. This model encourages a shift from the traditional focus on maximizing shareholder value to a more inclusive approach that considers the well-being of all stakeholders, including employees, the community, and the environment. The essence of TBL lies in its three pillars: profits, people, and the planet, advocating for a balanced approach to business that ensures economic viability while also fostering social equity and minimizing environmental harm. TBL's application extends across various sectors, illustrating its versatility and relevance in today's sustainability-focused landscape. For instance, in the manufacturing sector, companies adopt TBL to evaluate their environmental footprint through measures like reducing waste and emissions, while also ensuring fair labor practices and contributing to local economies. In this video, we will take a closer look at the application of TBL across three industries: manufacturing, technology, and agriculture. Let's get to work. First, we will take a look at the manufacturing industry, demonstrating how the TBL framework can be applied to assess and guide sustainability efforts in this sector. By focusing on economic performance, social responsibility, and environmental stewardship, companies in the manufacturing sector can achieve a balance that not only contributes to their financial success, but also benefits people and the planet. The economic pillar is related to the first P, profits. The economic pillar emphasizes the importance of achieving profitability through efficient and sustainable manufacturing practices. This includes optimizing production processes to increase efficiency and reduce costs, which can be achieved through lean manufacturing and automation. Investing in sustainable technologies not only lowers operational costs, but also opens new markets by meeting the growing demand for eco-friendly products. Additionally, cost savings from waste reduction and resource efficiency contribute directly to the bottom line, showcasing the economic benefits of sustainable practices. The social pillar is related to the second P, people. The social aspect focuses on the well-being of employees and the broader community. Initiatives aimed at improving worker safety and health demonstrate a commitment to ethical labor practices. Fair labor practices, such as providing living wages and ensuring equitable treatment, foster a positive workplace environment and enhance employee satisfaction. Community development programs and support for local economies reflect the industry's role in social sustainability, while training and development opportunities ensure a skilled and motivated workforce. The environmental pillar is related to the third P, planet. Environmental considerations are crucial in reducing the manufacturing sector's ecological footprint. Efforts to reduce greenhouse gas emissions, increase energy efficiency, and utilize renewable energy sources are essential for mitigating climate change impacts. Waste recycling and reduction practices not only minimize environmental harm, but also can lead to cost savings. Sustainable sourcing of materials and minimizing the use of hazardous substances are other key practices that contribute to environmental sustainability. Overall, the manufacturing industry can leverage the TBL framework to pursue sustainability in a holistic manner. By focusing on economic viability, social equity, and environmental protection, manufacturers can not only enhance their competitive advantage, but also contribute positively to society and the planet. Implementing these practices requires a strategic approach to sustainability recognizing that long-term success depends on balancing all three pillars of the TBL. This approach not only addresses the immediate challenges of sustainability, but also positions the manufacturing industry as a leader in responsible and sustainable business practices. Similarly, in the technology industry, businesses leverage TBL to drive innovation in eco-friendly products and services alongside promoting diversity and inclusion within their workforce and community engagement. The economic aspects focus on generating revenue through sustainable and innovative products and services. This includes leveraging energy-efficient operations that not only reduce costs, but also appeal to environmentally conscious consumers. Investments in green technologies and eco-friendly markets are seen as opportunities for growth and differentiation. Efficient resource utilization, such as cloud computing and virtualization, contributes to profitability while minimizing environmental impacts. The social pillar emphasizes the technology industry's responsibility towards its workforce and the broader community. Initiatives like enhancing digital literacy aim to bridge the digital divide, particularly in underserved areas. Employee wellness programs and ethical labor practices ensure a healthy and motivated workforce. Moreover, the industry's focus on diversity, equity, and inclusion promotes a more inclusive and innovative working environment. Supporting education and workforce development in technology fields prepares future generations for the digital economy. Environmental considerations involve reducing the industry's carbon footprint and promoting sustainable practices. Efforts to minimize electronic waste, such as recycling programs and designing products for longevity, address the issue of e-waste. Data centers optimized for energy efficiency and the use of renewable energy sources demonstrate the industry's role in combating climate change. Encouraging telecommuting reduces transportation emissions, contributing to overall environmental sustainability. Overall, the technology industry can adopt to align with the TBL framework. By focusing on economic innovation, social responsibility, and environmental stewardship, tech companies can lead by example in sustainable business practices. This approach not only enhances their competitiveness, but also contributes to the well-being of society and the protection of the planet. The technology industry, given its rapid growth and influence, is uniquely positioned to drive significant positive change across these three dimensions. The adoption of TBL in the agriculture sector showcases its role in promoting sustainable farming practices that protect the environment, enhance food security, and support the livelihoods of farming communities. Moreover, the energy sector utilizes TBL to navigate the transition towards renewable sources, balancing economic growth with the reduction of carbon footprints and the promotion of energy accessibility. The economic dimension emphasizes profitability through sustainable practices. This includes the adoption of high-yield, sustainable crops that not only ensure financial viability, but also cater to the growing market for organic and fair trade products. Investments in sustainable technologies, such as precision agriculture, can lead to cost reductions and efficiency improvements. Additionally, sustainable certification can open new markets, enhancing revenue opportunities for farmers committed to sustainable practices. The social pillar focuses on improving the well-being of individuals and communities involved in or affected by agricultural activities. Ensuring fair wages and safe working conditions addresses the ethical treatment of farm workers. Supporting local food systems helps bolster rural economies and community development. Education and training initiatives promote knowledge sharing on sustainable practices, contributing to community resilience and food security. This dimension highlights the importance of minimizing agriculture's environmental footprint. Practices such as conserving water resources, reducing reliance on chemical inputs, and adopting crop rotation enhance soil health and reduce environmental degradation. Efforts to restore natural habitats and promote biodiversity demonstrate a commitment to ecological preservation. Additionally, leveraging renewable energy sources in farming operations aligns with global efforts to combat climate change. Overall, the agriculture industry can leverage the TBL framework to navigate the complex interplay between economic viability, social equity, and environmental sustainability. By implementing these practices, the sector can contribute to a more sustainable future, ensuring long-term food security, supporting rural communities, and preserving the planet for future generations. This holistic approach is crucial for addressing the challenges of modern agriculture and achieving sustainable development goals. Implementing TBL can pose challenges, including the complexity of measuring and balancing its three dimensions. However, it offers substantial benefits by providing a structured framework for integrating sustainability into strategic decision-making. It encourages organizations to adopt a holistic view of their impact, fostering transparency, accountability, and long-term sustainability. As sustainability becomes increasingly central to business strategy, TBL serves as a crucial tool for organizations across industries to align their operations with the principles of economic, social, and environmental responsibility. It underscores the importance of a comprehensive approach to performance evaluation, one that prepares businesses to meet the demands of a rapidly changing world while contributing positively to society and the planet. As we conclude our exploration of TBL practices across manufacturing, technology, and agriculture, it's evident that adopting a holistic approach to business operations can lead to significant positive impacts. We've seen firsthand how companies that prioritize the well-being of people, the planet, and profits together are not only paving the way for a sustainable future, but are also reaping the benefits of enhanced reputation, customer loyalty, and operational efficiencies. These examples from various industries serve as a reminder that sustainability and ethical practices are not just moral choices, but also strategic business decisions. By integrating TBL principles, businesses can drive innovation, foster resilient communities, and protect the environment for future generations. Before you go, if you found this video useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to this channel for more content on sustainability, innovation, and ethical business practices.